Hello everyone, today in this session I'll be teaching you all how to install WPS Office, which is similar to that of Office product. So open up a browser and go to this website to download the setup file for WPS Office. So this is a website, as you can clearly see on the screen. Just go to this website and you can see a download option for WPS Office. Click onto the free download button and your downloading will start. So this is the file for WPS Office. So double click onto it. Click yes. Click onto I have read and agree with the terms and conditions and click on to install. The installation will begin. As you can see, the installation is completed. So click on to get started. Click on to launch WPS. Click on to accept and continue. So this is how WPS Office looks on opening it. We have integrated Word document, spreadsheet, presentation and PDF. We can as well sign in using our Facebook account or Google account to experience more features. Click on to sign in and select Google or Facebook, or you can as well select Twitter, Dropbox or any type of mail. For now I'll be selecting Google. We have successfully signed in. So these are some of the features that WPS Office provides. Files repair. We can repair the damaged file. Just select the damaged file and we can repair the damaged file, which have extension of DOCS, PPT, XLS. And we have other features like PDF to Word conversion and some readily available templates. We can also do data backup. Click on setup. You can select any of the three options like smart backup. We can schedule the backup and incremental backup. We can also extract the text from a picture. Select the picture and extract it. We also have collaboration tools. We also have resume maker where we can make our resume or CV. We also have a smart form which can be used to make a Google survey form and share it. We also have splitting and merging of documents tools. And lastly we have a features called picture to PDF conversion. We can open multiple documents like Word document, spreadsheets, presentation, and PDF in all one window. Click on New tab, select Word document for the first, click on plus sign, select spreadsheet and blank, select presentation, blank, and there you have it, multiple documents opened in a window. WPS Office is a cross-platform office suite which can run on Mac, Windows, Android, iOS, Linux and web.